Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. It's our Shumatt live streaming. I'm the live streamer Caitlin. Today I would like to introduce you one of our company product, the valve assembly. And now please let's see the valve assembly together. Firstly, we'll check here. This is our VCI anti-rust bag. We use this kind of VCI anti-rust bag to package it. And secondly, it's the label. The label information is the product code. And the product code is F00RJ01941. By the way, for this kind of the label or the logo, the packages, etc., we support a customized service. And then I will open it. That's the inside product, and for this one you can see the inside it has the plastic bottles, and we use this kind of product plastic bottles to package it to be better protect the product, and you can roll it in this way. Wow, take a look. And in the inside, we use this kind of oil paper to wrap it up. That's the inside product, the valve assembly. You can take a look. Actually, we not only selling this kind of whole valve assembly, we also sell the separate one, like this kind of valve cap or the valve rod. If you look carefully, you'll find in here, and there is the coating figures on the valve cap. Each product we Shumatt we supply with 6 months warranty time. In this period, if you are not satisfied with the quality, we can return or exchange your product for you. So if you're interested about the product, please don't hesitate, just contact us, don't wait, okay? So much for that, but at here, Caitlin has 3 tips I want to share with you. The first tip is if you want to clean this kind of valve assembly, please clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water. And the second tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position. And the third tip is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. That's all the tips I want to share with you. And at last, please, if you're not follow us, please follow us at a YouTube or the Facebook account so that next time you can see our product videos. So much for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye.